All right. My name is Caleb. A lot of people call me Caleb Money and all that. So I'm making this video now to pass across an important information, right? The Black Friday is coming up. In fact, the month of November is the month of Black Friday, right? And the AMAP, which is the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program, is going to be on Black Friday sale. It's going to be on Black Friday promo. I'm the course creator of the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program, and the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program is going to be on discount sale between 21st to 29th of this month. That is 8 days period, and the price of the AMAP is going to come down from 30,000 to 25,000. Between that 8 days period, the price of AMAP is going to be 25,000, no longer 30,000. So if you buy between that period, you are going to be saving 5,000 naira for yourself. Like I said, between 21st of this month, which is Monday, to 29th of this month, the price of AMAP is going to be coming down from 30,000 to 25,000. So if you buy between that period, you are going to be saving 5,000 naira for yourself. So if you want to get AMAP, or you've been looking for how to get it, or you've been saving money, then I would advise you to get it between that period so you can save 5,000 naira for yourself. This is the last time you're actually going to be seeing this course at this price. After this discount period, you are not going to see AMAP as 25,000 ever and ever again. In fact, soon I'm going to be increasing the cost price from 30,000. I'm going to be adding more money to you. So this is the last time you are going to be seeing it at 25,000 naira. And now the AMAP is a course that teaches you a whole lot of things about affiliate marketing, and not just affiliate marketing. You get to learn lots of different skills from the AMAP, lots of different valuable skills like sales page creation, landing page creation, sales funnels creation, WhatsApp marketing, copywriting, content, like a whole lot of things. In fact, you get to learn about TikTok organic traffic marketing, Twitter organic traffic marketing, LinkedIn organic, like a whole lot you are going to be learning from the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program. In fact, like, people get this course and they just come to my DM and be thanking me like, Caleb, thank you for this wonderful course. Caleb, thank you for this wonderful course. Why? That's because I literally put a whole lot into the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program. I've been doing internet marketing, in fact, affiliate marketing for 2 years plus now, and I just poured all my knowledge into that course. So if you want to make money online, if you want to make money from affiliate marketing, then the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program is the right course for you. And guess what? The Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program doesn't just teach you how to earn in naira. It also teaches you how to earn in dollars and make lots of money in dollars. Like right now, this is $100. This is another 100. 300, 400, 500. This is a lot of dollar in my hands, right? Now, you can use the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program to learn how to also earn in dollars like this and make lots of dollars for yourself. And that is the beauty of this course. I didn't just teach you how to earn in naira. I also taught you how to earn in dollars without even owning a single product of your own. So between 21st to 29th of November 2022, the price of AMAP is going to be 25,000, not 30,000. So if you are buying between that period, you're going to be saving 5,000 naira for yourself, right? So this is just a simple information I wanted to pass across. See you during the discount period.